Good morning from the northern Washington coast. So we left Port Angeles this morning. Can you point out on the map here, maybe?
Point out what?
I just wanted to show them where we're at. Okay, Port Angeles is over there. Yeah. Okay, you hold this and I'll point. Okay, Port Angeles was here, and we came down. We took this Highway 112 this morning, and it's a curvy road, and I really had to focus not getting car sick. So if you take that road, just be mindful. And then you come down here, and then we turned up here, Clallam Bay, and then we're right here in this little town of Sekiu. I have no idea how to pronounce that. Sekiu. We're gonna go up here and then take this Hoko Ozette Road down to Ozette Lake, and there's a national park campground right here at the top of Ozette Lake. We're gonna see if we can snag a spot for the day. Pistol, good morning. Hi. Yes, a good girl. So join us. I'm hoping this road is a little less curvy than this road was, because it got a little yeah, beautiful day. It's pretty overcast, but it's not raining, so all's good. Yeah, we got a lot of boats. I don't know if you can see on here, but there's a lot of boats out here going out fishing. I think, is it salmon season right now? Yeah. And they're running pretty good.
I would think.
Yeah, and this is a big salmon area, it said, so I reckon that's what's going on.
That'd be the Strait of Juan de Fuca?
Yeah, and then over...
And then Canada.
Canada, over there. Yeah, fun.
So, we've been on the Strait of Juan de Fuca, but then...
Now we're turning off to
Now we're
go.
going to be on the Pacific.
Yeah. Yep.
Alright, let's cut through this road and see how windy this one is.
Okay. Good morning, girl. Hello. Someone just got back from a run.
In the rainforest.
In the rainforest. We pulled in yesterday. We found a good spot, but it's just been pretty much raining. Dave put this canopy out. It attaches to the side. I'll show you outside. So he has a nice little kind of a drier spot to hang out, but it's just wet everywhere. Even when it's not raining, it's just wet. But we knew coming over on the west side it was going to be like that. Good morning, girl. Hi. Yeah, you don't like these wet walkies, do ya? No.
She did not want to go potty this morning.
No, and she wants to go back to bed. But she wants everyone else to go back to bed. Don't you, baby? So what's the plan today?
I think we get out of here.
Yeah.
Oh, we got to backtrack.
Again.
We got to backtrack an hour back to that Sekiu.
We're so funny.
And then we're gonna hit Forks.
Yeah.
And then from there, we'll work our way down around.
Yeah, so we don't know. We're freewheeling today.
Freewheeling.
We do not know where we're gonna end up today, which, you know, my favorite. Yeah. It's led to some adventures because we haven't looked beyond where we're going that day on the map, and so twice now in the last couple of days we've only been able to go as far as we were going that day, and then had to turn around and go back.
Well, it's kind of a catch. Like, if we just looked at this spot and thought this would be a cool place to check out.
Yeah.
Now, had we looked at it and thought and realized that if we do that we have to backtrack, we wouldn't have came.
We wouldn't have came.
There's so many things we might not do. So that's how I tell myself it's okay to be ignorant.
Oh yeah, no, it's great.
Oh, you said Forks was a movie film there?
I think Twilight was filmed there, wasn't it?
I don't know.
I've never seen it, but yeah, in the recesses of my brain, I feel like Twilight was filmed there. You know what? I bet we'll find out when we go through there if there's a lot of vampire stuff or Twilight merchandise. Is that still popular? I mean, it came out a long time ago, right?
I don't know. Never saw it.
Yeah, a long time ago.
I'm gonna film you right after your workout tomorrow.
That's okay. I did get my workout in this morning. I got wet, but that's okay.
I set up the thing for you.
Yeah, you know what? I didn't use that. I'm sorry. It's not tall. That canopy isn't tall. And I was doing like shoulder exercise, overhead press and stuff, and I needed more room. But thank you.
You're welcome.
All right. I want to take you down to the lake, actually show you the lake since we're here. And then we're going to load it up and roll out here pretty quick. I better hurry. He's gonna take off without me. Are you gonna leave me over there?
Where'd you go?
I was filming the lake because I told people I'd show them the lake. So you saw a sliver of the lake anyway. I was gonna show you that canopy thing, but I'll show you another time because they put it up before I got to it. So, let's get you buckled in. Oh, good morning.
Salty, aren't they?
Yeah.
I didn't shower. I just wiped off.
Okay, can you hold this? I gotta buckle her in. So we're just gonna head down the road. I'm gonna focus on not getting car sick, and we'll see you in Forks. Maybe we'll find a bakery with a scone and some hot coffee. Yeah. Okay. There's a whale right in the bay. Is there a car behind you? So look at his fin here. Do you see here? You see his fin here? Oh, is he stuck though?
Turn around, fella.
I think he's in trouble.
He's kind of facing the beach, isn't he?
I don't. He shouldn't be doing that.
I'd like a good scratch to get all those barnacles off.
Oh, there he goes. Oh, good. Okay. Oops, let me get my glasses. That was so cool. I think that was a humpback. It kind of looked like one, though I don't know my whales too much. He was so close to shore. I was very concerned about him or her. I thought she was trying to get up on the beach.
Sometimes they do, so I don't know.
No, they do.
Because it kept coming in, like nose to the beach,
Yeah.
and then it would get turned around and start that out, then it turn around and hit the beach again. It's like
It's weird.
its navigation was all messed up.
But he started going up the waterway.
He's following
here.
the coastline around, or the shoreline around now.
Yeah, so it was really funny. I had to go back and use the bathroom real quick on my way back to the truck. And I didn't shut the bathroom door because it was just me back there. And the kitchen window was also down. So from the bathroom, I saw the whale like spouting.
So you did whale watching bathroom trip.
Yes, it was like a weird moment in my head. I'm like, this is really weird. I'm sitting on a toilet watching a whale in the ocean. Not many people could probably say that.
Sitting in a toilet in your house watching a whale.
Yeah. It's really funny. So where are we? We are,
How was I going to pronounce it? It's S-E-I-K-U, Seiku?
Seiku? Yeah, we had just gotten in.
Not far from Nia Bay.
Yeah. So this is, where we start turning to go more inland now towards Forks. But, oh, that was just wonderful. Oh, that made my day. Love it. Breakfast time. Dave made breakfast this morning. We got eggs, we got bacon, banana, peanut butter. I got some yogurt and berries. Dave's got cottage cheese and berries. And Pistol had some green beans, but she's just cruising the floor, crumbing, waiting on Dad to drop something.
What happened?
We're in Forks. We stopped at the thrift toy here. We're gonna go in, but we had to eat first, so we didn't buy everything in the store. We're gonna scope it out. We're also going to look at the map and kind of see the nearby campgrounds, see where we might be headed for tonight. Okay, we got the map out again. Where are we gonna try and go here? Show the people. Show the good people.
Okay. Let's see. I'm sorry.
Yeah, but we're way over on that side.
But we've been here.
Yep.
Now we've come over to here. We've done this road.
Mm-hmm.
So this is where we stayed last night.
Yep.
Right here.
Okay.
So then today we had to drive back out this windy road,
Mm-hmm.
back out to this windy road. That was all backtracking. And then we drove here to 101. And then we come on the Forks. So we're going to check at this campground here and maybe plug in, top the batteries off, do the tanks and everything. And then tomorrow's going to be, looks like a pretty decent day. So we could explore this area somewhere for where there might be a cool hike.
Yeah.
And do some hiking, and then we'll start working our way back out.
Okay, let's do it. What's that state park we're looking into?
Bogachel?
Bogachel? We found a spot here at the campground. We're drying everything out that got wet last night. Dave's even got his axe block out. He's wasted no time in this nice weather. What are we working on today?
Butter spreader.
Nice. Those look very hard to make. It all looks hard to make to me though.
Is it?
Yeah. So thinking about dinner, I know we just had brekkie. But I've got that onion, that Walla Walla onion left that my dad gave me out of his garden.
Can do onion rings outside.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. And we also have some steak. Maybe we can make steak bites. Does that sound good?
That sounds very good.
That sounds very good, I think too. All right, I'm gonna kind of prep some stuff. And what do you think? In a couple hours?
Yep. 4:30.
Perfect. We got onion rings, and I am very excited for these. They might have needed more pink though. I don't know. We'll see how these turn out. Oh, so good.
Low carb onion rings.
Yeah. Okay. I'm into it. One batch out, second batch in. Meat nuggies out. Let's get this in before it's too cold.
Just dip, or you want to put it on a plate and save what's left of it?
I don't need it again. I don't think. We have ranch. Pistol. I'd offer you green beans, but I know that's not what you want right now. How are these onion rings? They sound very crunchy.
Just going no silverware tonight.
Mmm. So good. Yeah, this was a treat. They're cold. They cooled off while everything else was cooking, but a cold onion ring is better than no onion ring, I'll say.
Tell me about your ranch.
It's just it's just Greek yogurt and a little half and half to thin it out. and a ranch packet.
That'd be the prettiest onion rings, but they're sure good.
So good. Okay.
Steak nuggets.
What's the plan for tomorrow? We don't really know. There's a couple hikes here. Might look into, I don't know. Depends on what the weather is doing.
Tomorrow's nice, and then the rains come. So we need to probably pick, maybe do some research tonight on which hike we want to do tomorrow.
Okay.
And then do that. And then when the rains come, we'll probably start working our way back towards Lakeview. No,
Longview.
Longview. Kelso Longview.
Portland. Yeah. All right. Well, we'll sort it out tomorrow. We'll see you down the road. Carry on.
Carry on. Thanks for watching.
And a very special thank you to our patrons for supporting our channel. Join us over on Patreon for extra videos and more content. Check out our website or Amazon for our pistol book. Carry on.
Carry on.